So hi guys, today we are going to solve the next set of questions. So in total we have total four questions and we'll read the question whatever we are going to solve. So calculate the count of customers in each city where the customer count exceeds 5. Expect output city and customer count are in the same exact sequence. The output should be sorted by city in ascending order. So what we need to do is we need to find the count of customers in each city. So we'll have to find customers. We need to count in customers. Do we have this city? City, yes. Next, what we want is customer count. So to find customer count, we can use customer ID. Okay, so we'll be using this customer table. So what I'll do is I'll copy this customers. So since we are getting the data from customers table, I'll go ahead and I'll paste it over here from customers. And next, what we want is a city. We'll copy city over here, then we'll put a comma. Next, what we want is customer count. Since we want to count the customer count, what we are going to do is we'll have to use count function. Count customer ID as customer count. We won't be putting any comma at the end since it is the last sentence. So since this is done, in the same sequence, the output should be sorted by city in ascending order. So what we'll do, we'll copy the city order by, since we know the order, since they have stated the order, we'll write city in the order. And next, we need to sort it by ascending order. So we'll put ascending. They also told us to find. I think we'll have to group it also by city. Group by city. Okay. Next, they have. We'll read the question once back again. Calculate the count of customers in each city where the customer count exceeds 5. City, since they have told the where condition. So where customer count. What is customer count? This is the count of customers equal to, okay, is greater than 5. So since we are not having any limit, we'll remove limit. Having also will remove it, and we'll try to run the query. We'll try to run the query. So it is giving us some error. Aggregate functions are not allowed in where. So I think there was some issue. Let us recollect the entire statement. Select city, count of customers. So since we have to put customer count exceeds 5, I think so they don't allow to put. Just I'll copy this. So they said aggregate functions are not allowed in where condition. So what we'll do, since it is not allowed, we'll use having statement. Having, I'll directly cut this. I will delete this, and then I'll try to run it. Okay, so the answer is correct. We'll move to the next question. First, we'll delete this. So in the question, they have asked find the customer ID whose total number of orders placed by each customer, but only include those customers who have placed at least 2 orders. So find customer ID and total number of orders. So we'll directly go into orders, order items. Is customer ID is located over here? No. So we can't use this. Orders placed, customer ID, orders placed, other and orders which are placed. No, we can't use this. Brand also we can use. We can't use that. Stores we can't use. Stocks we can't use. Staff, customer ID is it? No. Products, product ID, customer ID, no. Order ID, discount, no. Categories, orders. Order ID is the customer ID is the okay. So we can take it from orders. So what we'll do, we'll copy this. Since we are getting the data from orders, from we'll put as orders, select customer ID. So we'll select customer ID, we'll put a comma. Or what they ask is total orders. So orders are not given, total number of orders. Okay, so we need to create this total orders. To create total orders, what we need to do is we'll use count function, count of order ID. Okay, by each customer. Okay, but only include those customers who have placed at least two orders. Where okay, we'll come to the where statement later on. Next, what they want us to find is customer ID total orders as total orders. Okay, this is done. So we also know group by. We're grouping it by customer ID. Then the output should be sorted by customer ID. Order by in the ascending order. Okay. So what we need to do is they have also told, but only include those customers who have placed at least two orders. So we'll have to check what orders. Where count of okay, since we can't use it, we'll use it in having. So count of order ID is greater than 2. Since there is no where statement, we'll remove where limit also. We'll try to run the query. We'll try to submit it. So there is an error which it is giving us. Count of order ID greater than 2. Greater or equal to. Okay. So this since they in the question they have mentioned as a total list exceed sorry but only include those customers who have placed at least two. At least means including two. So what I had done was I have specified as greater than two, but including two means you have to include two also. So that's why I put greater than equal to two. So after running the query, I got the output. Here they have listed the people who have ordered two times also. 2 and greater than 2. So after that, I submitted the question and it has given a right answer. So we'll move to the next question. So what we'll do, we'll try to delete everything. So we'll move to the next question. So in the question, we'll read the question first. Retrieve the order IDs and the total list price for each order. Only include orders with a total list price exceeding $10,000. Expect output order ID and total list price are in the exact same sequence. The output should be sorted by total list price in ascending order. So what we need to find is retrieve the order ID and the total list price for each order. So since they are asking for orders, we'll try to find if all the data is given in this orders only. So order ID is there. Yes. Total list price. Total list price is not given over here for each order. Okay, so we'll have to move to the next question. Next table. Price something. Okay. Here is the order ID given. Yes. Total list price. List price is there in the exempt sequence. Okay. So we can use this. So we are getting the data from order items. So since we are getting the data from order items, what we are going to do is we are going to paste it over here from. So what we want is order ID. So what we'll do, we'll try to copy this and we'll put a comma. Next, what they want is total list price. Okay, since they want us a total list price and total list price is not specified over here, what we are going to do is total as in sum. We'll try to paste it over here. Total list price as total list price. Okay. Next thing, what we want to see, after this, we are not going to put any commas or anything, as it is a last statement. Next, what they want is to retrieve the order ID. Okay. Next, and the total list price. This is also done. Also include orders with total list price exceeding $10,000. Okay, we'll try to find list price, total list price. Okay, where total list price. So since we can't use this sum or we won't be able to use this, so we are going to use it having function. So what we'll do, we'll try to copy this having exceeding greater than 10,000. So 10,000 directly they have specified over here. Okay. The output should be sorted by total list price in ascending order. So since they have told us to find the total list price, we'll select the order also. Order by list price in ascending order, and also we need to group it. So since there is no limit, we are going to remove limit. Where also we are going to remove, and we are going to run the query. So it is giving us this output. We'll try to submit it, and we got a right question. The answer is correct, and we are going to the next question. Okay. Next, find the total sales quantity into list price as a product for products with sales amount greater than 10,000 or greater than 1,000. Expect output product ID and total sales in the exact same sequence. The output should be sorted by total sales in ascending order. So we'll first find the table from where we are getting the data. Find the total sales amount, something related to sales. So orders, we can try finding the data. Product ID is there? No. So categories also no. Product ID is over here, and total sales. Sales is also not there. I think it is in product maybe. No, nothing in product. Product ID is there. Total sales. Anything related to sales? No. Staff, stocks, stores, brands, customers. Find the total sales amount quantity into list price. Products for products. Okay. Quantity into list price. Is there quantity mentioned? List price is there. Product ID, brand ID, category ID, model ID. Okay. Quantity into list price. Okay. And product ID. Product ID. Okay. I think we have to get the data from order items. So to get the data from, since we are getting it from order items, what we are going to do from order item, select what we want is product ID. So we'll copy this product ID. Then we'll put a comma at the end. Next, what we want is total sales. The formula for total sales is listed over here. So what they want is find the total sales amount, sum of quantity into list price. Quantity into list price per product as total sales. Okay, so we got the total sales, and with sales great amount greater than 1000, where sales. Okay, so we'll have to use a having function since we can't use this into where condition. So we'll copy this having greater than 1000. Order also is the output should be sorted by total sales in ascending. So total sales means we'll have to copy this order in ascending order. Okay, we need to group it by product ID. Where there is nothing specified for where, we'll try to remove the limit also. We'll try to run the query. So it has given us the output. We'll try to submit it, and it's a correct answer. So we have found out the solutions for all four questions, and we are going to end this video session, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.